Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove pages from a PDF file. Let's get started. So this is the PDF file we'll be working with today. As you can see, it contains multiple pages with pictures and text. Now let's begin the process. First, open any browser and navigate to the website ilovepdf.com/remove pages. I'll include the link in the video description for easy access. Once you're on the website, simply click on Select PDF File and choose the PDF file you want to edit. Then, click on Open. You'll notice that the website displays the total number of pages in the PDF file, which in this case is 5. To remove specific pages, simply click on the page you want to delete. In this case, we want to remove page 4 and page 2, so click on each of those pages. Once selected, they will be highlighted. Then, click on Remove Pages to delete them from the PDF file. That was quick. Now, simply click on the Download PDF button to retrieve your modified file. Once downloaded, you can open it to confirm that the selected pages have been successfully removed. As you can see, the PDF file now contains only 3 pages, down from the original 5. That's how simple it is to delete or remove pages from a PDF file using this method. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.